At number 10, we've got the ultimate salad hack, the Briggy Salad Spinner. Spin your way to crisp dry greens in seconds. Just turn the handle and drain, effortless and mess-free. It's not just for salads. Wash berries, dry veggies, and more with ease. With a 4.2 forequart capacity and a sturdy non-slip base, it's perfect for family-sized meals. Healthy eating made easy. Grab yours today. Coming in at number 9, we have the perfect kitchen essential, this magnetic measuring spoon set. Say goodbye to clutter. These magnetic spoons nest together for easy storage, so you can grab the one you need without any hassle. Dual-sided for maximum convenience. The narrow oval end fits into spice jars, while the round end is perfect for liquids. Plus, they lay flat on the counter to avoid spills. Made from heavy-duty stainless steel, they're built to last, rust-free and dishwasher-safe. With clear US and metric markings, you'll get precise measurements every time. There's even a leveler for added accuracy, a kitchen must-have. Grab yours now, link in the description. At number 8, we've got a kitchen lifesaver, the multifunction can opener. Effortlessly slice through cans with its sharp stainless steel cutting wheel and easy-to-turn knob. Oversized ergonomic handles make it super comfortable to use, even for tough cans. Plus, it's a 2-in-1 tool, open bottles with the built-in opener. A must-have for any kitchen. At number 7, meet your new grilling companion, the digital Meat Thermometer. Get instant temperature readings in just 0.5 seconds, 3 times faster than the competition. You'll never overcook or undercook your meat again. Certified for high accuracy, it's perfect for pros and home cooks alike, with precision down to 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit. With an IP67 waterproof rating and durable build, it can handle any kitchen splashes or spills. Auto-rotating display makes readings easy from any angle, and the bright backlight works great in low light. Plus, it's magnetic. Stick it to your fridge or grill for easy access. A must-have for your kitchen. Link in the description to get yours today. At number 6, we've got a game changer for garlic lovers, this powerful garlic press. Effortlessly crush garlic cloves with minimal pressure. Its 37 spikes are designed to press out every bit of garlic goodness, leaving the peels behind. No more sore hands. This ergonomic design is super easy to use, perfect for home cooks and pros alike. Made from durable zinc, it's built to last. Odor-free and dishwasher-safe for hassle-free cleanup. Bonus? It's not just for garlic. Mash ginger, herbs, and even soft nuts with this versatile tool. A must-have for your kitchen arsenal. Find the link in the description to grab yours today. At number 5, we have the powerhouse of kitchen gadgets, the Immersion Blender by Avocado. With 1,000 watts of power and a turbo boost mode, this blender saves you time whether you're making soups, sauces, or smoothies. But wait, this isn't just a blender. It comes with multiple attachments, a food processor, milk frother, beaker, egg whisk, and more. You can blend, chop, whisk, and froth all with one tool. Need precision? The 12-speed settings give you complete control to achieve the perfect consistency, whether it's a creamy soup or a frothy milkshake. Plus, its ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures you stay in control, even with wet hands. And when you're done, it's easy to assemble and clean. Snap-on attachments and dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. Its compact design is a space saver for any kitchen, but don't let its size fool you. It's built with durable, BPA-free materials for long-lasting performance. Versatile, powerful, and easy to use, this immersion blender is a must-have. At number 4, say goodbye to avocado struggles with this all-in-one avocado slicer. Split, pit, and slice. This tool does it all with ease for just $10. Remove the pit in one quick twist with the sharp stainless steel pitter. Then, lift the fruit in 7 perfect pieces, ready to eat or add to your dish. With a soft, non-slip grip and dishwasher-safe design, it's easy to use and clean. A must-have for avocado lovers. Link in the description to get yours today. At number 3, transform your veggies into gourmet meals with the Briefton Spiralizer. Don't waste time with weak, outdated designs. This Spiralizer is stronger, faster, and better than any on the market. With 5 ultra-sharp labeled blades, you can create perfect noodles, ribbons, and slices with ease. Whether it's zucchini, butternut squash, or sweet potatoes, this Spiralizer handles it all. The supersized suction pad locks firmly to your countertop, so it stays secure during even the toughest jobs. Designed with convenience in mind, it includes an extra blade caddy for safe storage and a quick-release mechanism for compact storage. Plus, you get 4 exclusive digital cookbooks to help you whip up delicious, healthy meals, zoodles, veggie ribbons, and more. It's the perfect gift for anyone looking to replace carbs with healthy veggies or add fun to their cooking. Seen on the Food Network and loved by thousands, it's time to upgrade your kitchen with the Briefton's Spiralizer. Grab yours today. Link in the description. At number 2, it's time to elevate your baking with these must-have silicone baking mats. No more parchment paper or cooking sprays. These mats are non-stick and provide even heat distribution for perfect results every time. Crafted from food-safe silicone, they're durable, scratch-resistant, and can handle temperatures up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. And cleaning? It's a breeze. Just wipe or toss them in the dishwasher. Save space, save money, and bake with confidence. Grab your set today. At number 1, meet your new kitchen superhero, the Instant Pot. This revolutionary slim design in matte black combines style and function, featuring an upgraded anti-spin inner pot for easy sautéing and stirring. With its easy-to-use control panel and cooking progress indicator, you'll always know what's cooking. This 7-in-1 wonder is your pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, and more, all in one pot. Enjoy quick one-touch cooking with 13 customizable smart programs for everything from ribs to desserts. Cook up to 70% faster than traditional methods, or take your time with slow cooking. And cleanup? A breeze. Level up your kitchen game today? Link in the description. Loved what you saw? Don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, and share with your friends. Subscribe for more must-have finds. Your next favorite gadget awaits.